If you agree that debt is a cost of capital, what are your thoughts about equity?
Thanks, that is an extremely relevant question. Weighted capital is one of 32 modules in the Creating Value series. We are all familiar with the notion that debt is a cost of capital, but what about equity? Although a cost of equity doesn't appear on the profit and loss statement, it isn't free. Some argue that dividends are the cost of equity, but that would imply that when the dividend payout is zero, then equity is free. Clearly that's absurd. So, what then is the cost of equity? This module demystifies the cost of capital model.